All right, guys, are you ready? Oh, no. Okay. So we cancel the show. Okay. Hello, guys. Are you ready? Okay. The startup seems to be ready. Remotely connected. Are you ready, guys? One sec. Say, Matt. No problems. We're going to start in a while. Time to have our two local Swiss candidates on stage. In a few minutes, we will be live. We'll be here on stage. And we will have the opportunity to discover innovative tech for business. If you want to sit, don't hesitate, guys. Nicole, if you want to sit, guys, if you want to attend, it will last half an hour. And you will have the opportunity to discover tremendous tech for business coming from all over the planet. Welcome to Tech Business Pitching Station, AI, data, IoT, drone and fintech, retail commerce and tourism included. So join us. Okay, remotely, are you ready? Hello, Astrid. Hello, Emmanuel. How are you doing, Emmanuel Jean? Oh, yes, now we do hear you. Say something, Emmanuel. No? Okay. Oh, one sec. Okay. Are you ready, Sylvain?
Thank you for giving me the microphone. Yes, I am ready.
Okay, we are ready. We try again with Astrid. Astrid, say something. Hello, Astrid. How are you doing? No, the sound mat. Okay, thank you very much.
On the Swiss Pavilion. Yes, microphone, please. Well, the Swiss Pavilion, thank you very much for joining us today for the second pitch session. The concept is really clear, I think, Marc-Lionel.
I hope it is. Dear jury members, are you here? Where are the jury members here on stage? Mr. Benoit, you are your jury? Yes? No? Yes? Maybe? Let's say, I don't know. Could you repeat the question? Okay, Sylvain.
Could you repeat the concept of the Microbal Village on Swiss Tech pitch sessions?
Let's try to do it. It's very simple. Technologies are coming from all over the world, and they are all looking for a soft landing solution all over the world too. So let's build up bridges between countries and technology.
Exactly.
And
many countries for the second sessions about technology for business. We'll have companies from Japan, Luxembourg, Belgium, Switzerland, of course, France, also in Africa from Cameroon, and Germany as well. Yes, Saarland.
Yes, Saarland, ladies and gentlemen. Okay.
Okay,
so
are you ready?
I am ready. Dear candidate, dear public, are you ready? Let's start by the first candidate, Sylvain.
90 seconds for pitching to convince about your solution. Don't forget to tell to the jury and to the audience here in person in Vegas or remotely connected through the both cameras we have on the booth what you are looking for. Let's start with Japan. Japan, are you with us today? Oh, you are Japanese. Excellent. Welcome on the Swiss Pavilion. Welcome on the stage, Japan. Please join me on the stage. You have 90 seconds. You have a clicker. Marc-Lionel, please.
I have the clicker, but I want to keep it. Oh, no. Jacobs, that's for you. 90 seconds to be convincing. Go ahead.
The other side?
On the other side, yes.
Here we are.
And the microphone.
On the microphone, and 90 seconds. Good luck.
Okay, hello everyone. We're called Leos and we make fieldwork maintenance easier. Many different industries use equipment that needs to be inspected daily, but
like this.
But some of that equipment needs, some of that equipment is located away from power, away from network.
Yeah, go ahead.
Away from power, away from network, meaning that existing automation solutions are not applicable and inspections is still a manual effort. Now, this is the problem that we wanted to solve. And we solved it with Leos Gauge. First part of our solution is our camera. At 3 images per day, this camera has a battery life of 3 years, meaning you don't need no power to use it. It also has a SIM card built in, can use mobile network to send data, meaning you don't have to provide your own network. So how would you use it? You're going to put it in front of the equipment you want to be monitoring, set up a schedule. It will capture images according to it, send data to our cloud. We're going to record the images as well as any measurement values that we take from the images. And you can access both through our dashboards and our APIs. The end result is that you can now perform remote inspections of locations you had to inspect in person before. I mentioned, where is it useful? A lot of different industries. Okay, all sorts of manufacturing, utilities, gas, chemicals, water treatment, you name it. I mentioned that we can compute measurements values from images. These are some examples from the production. And this is our model lineup. So, thank you for your attention. We're called Leos, and we make fieldwork maintenance easier.
Thank you so much. Congratulations.
Thank you. Very, very good
difficult
job.
exercise.
Impressive. Huh?
90 seconds, it's quite difficult. Oh, congratulations,
Yeah.
Lionel.
Okay, so who's going to be the next candidate?
Okay, back
Sylvain?
to Europe with Luxembourg.
Luxembourg,
Are
le
you with
Grand
us today,
Duché du
Luxembourg?
Luxembourg. Who's the
Grand
candidate?
Duché with EMC, Tristan.
Tristan, EMC, Luxembourg.
Yeah,
Oh,
well,
there it is. If you
please,
hide yourself.
jump on
Ladies
the
and
stage.
gentlemen, a very warm welcome to
for
Tristan
Luxembourg.
in Luxembourg. Yeah. Make noise for Luxembourg. Go ahead.
Okay, you have 90 seconds.
And you have the clicker. Go ahead.
You have your presentation. No, next slide, please. Okay, ready?
Absolutely.
Okay, good luck.
Okay, thank you. Hello everybody, my name is Tristan. I'm the founder startup of theplace2wish.com, and I'm very happy to be with you today. Thanks for the opportunity. And I represent you The Place, our artificial intelligence dedicated to the e-commerce. For the B2B, we have many problems, many challenges. First of it, it's how to collect high quality data about consumer, to know them, what they will like, what they want, what they will want. And the biggest challenge is provoked by the deletion of the third-party cookie. So how to survive to the cookie apocalypse and how to do targeted advertising campaign online. For the B2C, it's different, of course. The main challenge is how to receive a personalized recommendation and find quickly the right product on the web. So the solution, it's The Place. For the B2C, for the consumer B2C, for yourself, by example, you can create an avatar and add a specific attribute about what you like, what you dislike, what your center of interest, the activity you do, and The Place mix this information and push a very personalized recommendation. And for the B2B, the B2B player, it's the access to very, very high quality data, asserted data directly by the consumer, and with this data the B2B can measure the market around the world, makes listening, trending analysis, know what the customer needs, wants, and of course with the place you can continue to do a very, very targeted campaign online and focus only the best leads for your product. This is what we do with The Place. I will fast. New way to collect the data, advertising, promotion, optimization of budget. And for the B2C, it's a magic wizard to find a good product for you, perfect the matchmaking, and privacy respected. Thank you for your time.
Time is over. Thank you very much. Sorry about that. I am the timekeeper.
Yeah,
I am the timekeeper.
yeah, Switzerland, precision, and
the watch country.
Known all over the world. Great
Congratulations.
job.
It was Luxembourg.
Okay, in a few
EMC.
minutes, questions. Dear jury members, remote or here on stage,
I
prepare
think
your question for
yes,
the candidate. Okay,
because
go.
we'll start soon with the first Q&A session. So third company from Belgium now with Philin, Nicolas.
Okay,
No,
Nicolas,
not
obviously
Nicolas.
not. Yael, welcome on board.
But
Yael.
welcome on the stage. We have the clicker, we have a
The
microphone,
microphone, the
we
clicker.
have your presentation. You have just to click probably 1 or 2 slides here.
Yeah.
Click, click,
On
click,
the
click.
right, click, click.
Yes,
okay,
here we are.
filling. Modulos.
No, we don't have any presentation.
Have the logo about
You just have the logo.
Ah,
Okay,
we
go
just
ahead.
have the logo, so no presentation. 90
Okay.
seconds.
Go ahead.
Good luck.
90 seconds is pretty long, isn't it? After 30 seconds, more than 80% of this audience will stop listening to me. Why? Because we are bombarded with information all day long, and our attention span is limited. Advertising companies face the same issue. of the $800 billion spent every year on marketing, that means that more than 1,700 billion is throwing away. At Feeling, we thought it was a shame. So we have developed a solution for them. I'm Yael Mozinski, co-founder of Feeling, the first online neuromarketing solution that allows you to pre-test your ads before it goes live. We have tested thousands of ads, and do you want to know the secret ingredient for success? That's an ad who stands out of the crowd, an ad who can grab the attention, provoke emotion, and deliver the right message to your audience. To make sure of it, we have turned out your smartphone into a pocket lab that allows us to know if your video generates the right emotion, catch and keep the attention until the end, and deliver the right message to your audience. How we do it? Thanks to our AI technology and 10 years of research in neuropsychology, we are able to detect remotely if your video catch the attention and is the best in your sector. If you want to know more, we are just there in the Over car park, and I will be free to answer all your questions.
Perfect timing. Congratulations. Thank you very much. 90 seconds is not an easy exercise. So, Marc Lionel, please, are you with us?
Yes, I am. I was looking for a question that was asked by your remote jury. He say, if I push the blue button, does it work only for the people here? No, no. Even online, of course, from all over the world.
Of
if you are
course.
seduced by your technology, click on the blue button and you will be connected.
Because we have
Who's got-
juries here, we have juries remotely connected, mainly in Europe. Congratulations. It was a good job. So now we will go ahead with the first Swiss startup with the company Modulus.
Modulus,
yes,
ladies
you
and
are here.
gentlemen, come on
Jump,
stage,
jump
Elena.
on the stage.
Okay, very good. You
are
ready?
here at home on the Swiss pavilion. You can click yes, and yes, exactly. And then you have your presentation for 90.
Can you hear me well?
Yes, close to the mouse, please. Okay. 90 seconds. Good luck.
Hi everybody, I'm Elena from Modulus. AI will transform your business.
Closer.
AI will transform your business, but if your data are not good quality ones, you may end up in trouble, as AI models are only as good as your data are. Regulators across the world with the UAI Act as well as the US Bill of Rights are paying close attention to that, demanding that your AI model use good quality data to avoid potential unwanted and biased outcome from the use of AI. So if you're a bank using AI for credit risk decision, or if you use AI in HR, training and vocational, or for access to social benefits, well, you might want to stay away from hefty regulatory fines, from the risk of lawsuits, and from the risk of reputational loss, which largely overcome the benefits of using AI as a technology. And this is what we're here for at Modulus. We're here for empowering you to find sources of error, noise, and bias in your data that limit the performance of your model, and to make sure you deliver better and fairer AI models. We are a team from Switzerland of highly experienced individuals in the AI field. And as we just recently raised a good seed capital round, we're not looking for investors at the moment, but what we want is partners and customers that want to taste and prove the value of our great solution. So come and see me at the booth if you want to give it a go to trustworthy and ethical AI with Modulus.
Very good job.
You are looking for investors
Wow,
and business
thank you for your
partners.
applause.
Congratulations. I think you are in the right location.
Yes, if you're looking, members, if you buy tech, if you invest in tech, if you integrate tech, click on the blue button and connect with the candidate to be the first in your country to get that technology.
Exactly.
Sylvain, who's
Maybe
gonna be
next company before starting a Q&A session from Belgium. BIM printer, Vincent.
Okay, Vincent, jump on stage, run. Okay, BIM printer from Belgium, and here is your microphone.
You have the clicker.
You got a clicker
You
right
have me?
now.
Okay, thank you.
Your presentation is on the screen. Are you ready?
Not yet, because I have to take my time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, no,
no,
the
it's
other.
not mine.
Next. Yes.
Yeah.
Here we
Okay.
are. So, good luck.
Okay, we'll start.
Listening to you.
Hello everybody, I am Vincent Agi from BIM Printer. I am the CEO and inventor of this machine. That's a robot that's able to print the layout of an architect on a real construction site, on real scale, and the builders can build directly on the layout. That means that there is no more mistake of staking out, and the masonry and the worker can build directly on the layout. So there is never any more errors of stakeout. There is a lot less reworks and everything. So the very first robot has been built with my boy, who is just on the left side on the dining table, but now we made it more industrialized. We are working 40 people on this project for last 3 years, and now we sold the first robots, and they are working perfectly on the construction site. This robot was the very first able to print a layout. Now we have some competitors like HP, Hitachi, Dusty Robotics. So it means that there is a market, and that market is very nice for us.
Okay, printing the beam right away on the plant is tremendous.
Yes.
Very good job.
Very good job. Perfect timing as
And
well.
thank you for your applause. Dear jury members, dear public, if you want to be the first in your country to get this solution, to retail it, to sell it, click on the blue button. Go
Let's
ahead.
start the Q&A session with the jury members
Okay,
here in
dear
person.
jury members, any question
And
for
remotely
any of our
connected.
candidates? Who want to ask the first question? François? Okay, jump on stage if you have a questions. Dear jury members, remotely, if you have questions, please make a sign. Any candidate, any questions? It's time for Q&A. Go ahead, François. Your question for which candidate?
I've got a question for Philin.
Jump on stage. Come
can
on.
you tell me more about
Jump, come on.
how your AI works? I mean, you say that you have found a solution to catch the attentions, to know how if we are advertising is catching attention. So could you explain us a little bit more how it works?
All the secrets in 30 seconds.
So I can't give you all the secrets for sure. But we have developed a platform which is connected to an application, and we have different panels everywhere in the world. So we are already in France, Belgium, Brazil, Dubai, and we just opened the market in the US in case of we have people interested here. So on the application, you can send the video, and when people are looking at the video, we are using the frontal camera of the phone, who is going to use pupil dilation, eye tracking, and we are going to see second by second if your video catch and keep the attention. It's really important now to catch the attention for the first seconds, because we have too much advertising in the nature. We have advertising on the streets, on the social media, everywhere. So if you want to be the best in your sector, you need to use Philin to pre-test your ads, and you can improve the ROI of your campaign. Too long? Sorry. I'm just there if you want more information.
Yes, click on the blue button and let's connect here right on stage.
Click,
another question for any candidate?
Any other question?
Remotely, maybe? Yes, okay.
Short question and a short answer.
Question and short answer. In Israel, go ahead.
It doesn't work. Okay, no, it works. We love the competition with competitors, and before having the first competitor, we were alone, and we are still alone in Europe, and it's very more difficult to be alone. So I invite all the competitors to come in Europe, close to in my garden, because it's easier when there is different competitors. It means there is a market, and it's easier to convince to switch from manual work to robotized work. And the the first time you walk to a car, you went to see a car and you changed from your horse. Your horse was eating grass, and that was easy and it didn't cost anything. And you go to buy the first car, and you see there is only one car that uses gasoline, and now you can choose between different cars, and that's what we want for the robots.
So much.
Diverse generation of robots and happy contractors and constructor people. Thank you.
Excellent. We have to go ahead because we have many.
Yeah, we're short on
startups.
time. If you have some question, even for the first serious candidate, it's going to be done. Who's going to be the next?
Back
Sylvia?
to Europe, or still in Europe, with France, with the
Okay,
company Social
let's
Dream.
Come on, jump on
Welcome
stage.
on the stage
Welcome, guys.
for a
France
90-second
candidates.
pitch
Two
to
person.
convince about your solution. The clicker.
Clicker
Upside down.
on the
Yes,
right.
right, yes.
Oh.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's go.
Hi, my name is Ariane Turner and I represent here Social Dream. Social Dream develops virtual reality for the health department, mental health, through emotions. So as of today, we have 3 axes. The first one is the service. We create our own content and software. The second axe is, of course, technology, innovation. And the third one is, of course, and I forgot it, but I have it right there, the scientific research and the technology innovation. As you can see, as of today, you use virtual reality is very difficult when you want to use it with people elderly that are ill or in hospitals. So the whole idea is that we created this virtual reality headset that is capable of being much easier to wear. We also diffuse through captures and through a projector the images. You are in a security safety environment. We also are capable of collecting data in real time to be able to adapt to the viewer and see if they're enjoying the emotions that we're giving them. So the whole idea of DreamSense, which is what Social Dream created, is to be able to have this new VR headset that is really easy to use in any different situation, especially in the healthcare industry. Emotions we create our own content so we can adapt it depending on who we are using it for. Like, for example, people that have anxiety, people that have Alzheimer, they will also be able to transfer sound, image, and smell. So the whole idea is to improve and take care of your mental health in general or in the health industry, and be able to have this tool that will make it easier to take care of your mental health.
The time is over. Thank you so much.
Thank
Congratulations. You can
Thank you very
put the
much,
microphone
Ariane,
on the desk.
Thierry, and the clicker. You got the clicker?
On the
Ariane,
clicker,
don't
please. The
stall
clicker, don't
Thank you, guys. Very
move
good job.
away
Who's gonna
with
be
the clicker.
next?
No, with Africa, we have two companies from Cameroon.
And congratulations for Africa. We see a
Congratulations.
strong representative of this country. Are you ready, Corey?
You are
company?
online, right?
Okay. And start to introduce. Go ahead. Okay.
Thank you very much. It was Cameroon remotely connected.
A second candidate from Cameroon, isn't it?
Yes, with Rosine.
Rosine, how are you doing?
Hear you perfectly. Can
So-
you share your screen with us in Vegas, please? We don't see your presentation here in Vegas and online neither. So please share your screen. Yes. You still have 20 seconds.
Okay.
Is it all? Time is over. The time is over. Sorry, I am a strict timekeeper. I have to be a strict timekeeper because we have so many companies pitching today. It was the second company from Cameroon. Congratulations for both companies from Cameroon, remotely connected. We have to move forward with the second Swiss startup here on the Swiss pavilion.
Yeah. Rosine, can you unshare your screen,
Yes,
please?
can you unshare your screen?
Rosine.
And I'm pleased to welcome on the stage the company No Bank. So it's a crazy name for Switzerland, meaning no bank, because we have so many banks in Switzerland. Exciting to know. What do you offer?
Rosine,
please.
Can you, Rosine, switch?
Rosie, please.
Rosine, est-ce que vous pouvez arrêter votre partage d'écran, s'il vous plaît? On voit votre écran. Rosine, s'il vous plaît. Rosine, est-ce que vous m'entendez?
Rosine, s'il vous plaît, de Cameroun.
Est-ce que vous
Enlevez
pouvez
votre écran.
départager votre écran? Ok. Ah ouais, bah ok. You shared your screen and we'll cut.
Okay, it's all set. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
Thank you so much, Rosine.
All set. So, yes, back to you. No bank from Switzerland. You have 90 seconds. You have, yes, your presentation on the screen, the clicker, the microphone. Okay, no presentation? Okay, just one, exactly. So, perfect, 90 seconds. Good luck.
Thanks a lot. Hi, everyone. My name is Mario, and I'm co-founder and CPO of NoBank. I'm sure you've all heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and NFTs. Maybe you have even invested or lost some money. If you look at the underlying technology and beyond the hype, blockchain is the foundation of the next evolution of the internet, called Web3. To access Web3, you need a wallet. But wallets today are too complex, too technical, and simply not fit to onboard the next billion users. With NoBank, we are changing this. We make Web3 and its benefits accessible and useful to everyone. With our next generation smart contract-based wallet, you say goodbye to seed phrases, gas fees, and other complexities, and you say hello to simplicity in Web3. And because wallet complexity is an issue for businesses and users alike, we offer our platform B2B and B2C. Within 11 months, we've already achieved a lot. We've won hackathon and grants and got pre-seed funding. We've built a world-class team of 6 no-bankers and released an amazing product into public beta. We're seeing early signs of traction and are booking first revenues. So we're on a mission to make Web3 accessible. Get on board as a customer, as a partner, or as an investor. Thanks a lot.
Perfect timing, 90 seconds. It was no bank from Switzerland. Good job, stay with us.
It's quite surprising, no bank in Switzerland.
Yes,
Normally,
it's exactly
there's
what I
lots of
said
bank.
already at the beginning, Mark Lionel.
Yeah, but I was pointing out that point. Now let's move up to
We like
Germany with an American. Are you ready, Larry?
Yes, thank you very much.
Willkommen heute. Okay, welcome on board, Larry.
Thank you so
Welcome
much.
to Switzerland. Okay, are you ready for pitching?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay, let's go.
Well, let me see. Here we go.
The right one.
The other
Oh,
side,
the right one.
Yeah,
Okay.
the right, yeah.
Now, after that technical difficulty, I'm all set. Okay. I'm Larry Hartman. I'm one of the founders of Pixel Free Studio. We created Pixel Free Studio to automate website and app design. Now, why did we choose this solution? We chose this solution because there's a lack of developers out there. Salaries are increasing at a record pace, and you have companies creating boot camps where you have guys who were formerly pizza delivery guys now going to boot camps and starting at ridiculous salaries when they really have no real experience. Another reason we created it is because of the incredible cost involved in front-end development. Now, front-end development takes up about 80% of a project's time and money. Why is that? Okay, first of all, it requires a lot of tedious handwritten code. Second of all, it requires 3 different teams. You're creating for a website and an app. So you have HTML, Android, iOS. You have 3 different teams trying to create the same end user experience. And finally, there are a lot of errors that get created along the way as these 3 teams work in tandem, but not exactly with each other. Okay, so Pixel Free ends up saving your company in excess of 50–60% of costs and time in getting your project done. We also solve the talent pool problem that we were discussing at the outset because our software does it for you. You create a project once in Pixel Free using our user interface software, our prototyping tool, and then you click our export button and it immediately exports it into Android, iOS, HTML, and we'll have more languages coming. We're designed to make things easy for the programmer, the developer, and the company itself. And we also have extremely robust features that you can't find anywhere else. Here's some of our competition.
5 seconds.
5 seconds. Oh, here's our competition, but they're not really competition because our software does what theirs can't. It creates native, human-readable code, and that's what sets us apart from the competition.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Larry. Very good job, guys. And now let's move up to the
Germany. Germany, a friend of Switzerland, of course, very close to. Another friend of Switzerland is France.
Yes, what
This
city?
is the last company, but not least, for the second pitch session on the Swiss pavilion with Anaël.
Anaël is coming from an island, you know, and technology is booming in Ireland and in l'île de la Réunion. You are extraordinary providing a solution. You know the rule. It's 90 seconds to convince. That's your turn, Anaël.
You have the click, exactly, the right button. Ready?
Okay, dear jury
All right,
members,
can
click on the jury, prepare your
hear
questions.
me?
Okay, okay, yes,
It's
we
all
do.
right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Let's
okay.
go.
So what we do in my company, we make people proud of their culture, proud of their history. And how we do that? We do that by telling the story of the country where they're from. Hi everyone, my name is Anaël. I'm the CEO of Leon Guide, which is a mobile app that gives access to cultural and touristic podcasts. So basically it works like an audio guide, but it comes with more fun, much love, and also a soul, you know. So we launched the app a year ago in my place, Réunion Island, which is a French island in the Indian Ocean. And we produced so far 300 podcasts, reached 25,000 users. And also we have like 500 listening per day on an average. So for locals, basically, it's a journey throughout who they are. And for visitors, it's like a deep dive into the local culture. So I think we, within Leon, it's like having a deep dive into the culture of the country. And basically we say that raising awareness on the history is helping building the future on solid foundation. And this is how we help people reconnecting the dots of their history so that they can reveal where they've been to know where they're going. All right, so I guess now you just have to join us, download the app, and let Leon tell you the story.
Thank you very much,
Download the
Chanel.
app.
That's quasi the end. And one last question for dear jury members. I see that Milos, who is a jury of the next session, coming from Monaco. Hello, Milos. We are not exactly on time. We have 5 or 10 minutes late, so please keep on us. Maybe you'll find also interesting business, tech for business solutions.
Let's
for
start
you.
a quick Q&A session, the second one.
Exactly, Q&A session. François, any jury member here on stage for any candidate? One last. Remotely, question. Do you have question for the candidate, guys? No more? Okay, one last, very quick, maybe, François.
One question for Pixel Free.
Pixel Free, Larry, come on, jump on stage quickly.
Just to know, what is your added value regarding classical template for front-end solution? I mean, something like Wix or something like that.
Okay. Yeah, now that's one thing that I didn't exactly get into, but we don't use frameworks in libraries. You're not required to host on our website. We can give you complete freedom to go and use whatever you create wherever you want to create it on your own website, host it wherever you want. We don't pin you down. You're not held hostage like you are to other companies.
That's awesome. Okay, guys, it's now time, dear jury members, to end up your vote, to send the vote, even on remote, guys. Please choose the best solution. You have a spot out. In Tel Aviv, dear Tomer, how do you find the solutions? Oh, no, we don't hear you. Matt, we don't have the sound here, no? Okay, so okay, we do. Yes, your conclusion? It's too late. End up your vote right now, dear. And of course, think that you have a blue button. And if you want to connect with any of our candidates, I want to be the first in my country to sell, to integrate, to retail, and to invest in that technology. Be the first in clicking to the right, to the blue button. Okay, Sylvain, now.
In the meantime,
David, it's time
we'll
to
start very, very soon with the last pitch sessions of today.
It's time to publish the results. So
with technologies about smart home. What about the results? First of all.
Okay, what's about the results? First of all, number 3, Switch SAS. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Okay. Number 2, No Bank.
No Bank from
Switzerland.
Second best
number 2.
pitch. Congratulations.
And number 1 is Pixel Free Studio from Germany, Deutschland, and America. Larry, jump on stage. You will have the possibility to be accelerated and to be showcased all years long in all the major tech where My Global Village organized events. So congratulations, something to add?
Thank you so much. I mean, this is an incredible opportunity. What you guys have put together, it's tremendous. The hybrid environment that you have is just very unique and something that all of us startups really appreciate and get the benefit of. So thank you.
Thank you, Larry. And of course, if you want to help us develop My Global Village in your country, to help people like Larry and all our brilliant candidates to be accelerated, please join My Global Networks. That's over for in a few minutes. In 5 minutes, it's going to be Tech for Home. Sorry for the jury, we're a little bit late. Okay.
We need just 5 minutes for a new setting here on the Swiss Pavilion. So stay with us. We will speak about technologies, technology for home, smart.